Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the Xenon Igniter and D2S Xenon light bulb here on this 2007 Range Rover headlight. The lens on this one shattered, so I'm taking this apart anyway. I've taken the top off here so that you can clearly see everything that I'm doing. So this video should only take about a minute. So I'm going to go ahead here, zoom in, so you can see a close-up of what I'm doing. So this here is your Xenon Igniter, and to get to the bulb this must be removed. And this is super easy to remove. It's just quick turn to the left, pulls off, and then that's going to disconnect. Inside of this igniter is a little plastic piece that when you turn it left is going to kick that little wire connector off. So now that the igniter is out of the way, our D2S bulb is right here. And this is held in with a simple spring clip. Down here on the bottom is two clips that makes up a single pin, a single clip all together. This winds up and around. So to remove this, you're going to push down and in, and then let go, and then it's going to come up and out. And then same thing with this one. You're going to push towards the front of the light, in, and then it's going to pop out of place, releasing, which is going to then release the light bulb. Let's see if we can focus here. So here is our D2S bulb. Assuming this was bad, we then take it away, get our new one, and then this little notch at the top, the square notch, is going to go up at the top. So you can push that straight in with that square notch pointing up, and then the semicircle notch slightly to the right. And then that's going to push straight in, and at which point you should not be able to turn this left or right. It should be there. It should stay. So then to put our clip back into place, we're going to push this back in so it meets into the slot, push it towards the front of the headlight, and then push it back slightly to the left. And then same thing with the other one. We're going to bring it towards the center, push it into that notch, and then push it again to the right, and then it's going to be clipped back into place. So then we're going to grab our igniter. We have to make sure that we align these make sure that we get these four plastic pieces aligned with the four notches on the projector. So we want to make sure that we push it in with this wire connector in an upward direction. It's going to slide right onto our projector, and then give it a quick turn to the right, and it's going to snap into place. And then we're just going to reach in and grab our wire connector, and we'll just click that into place, and we're done. We've now changed the Xenon bulb here on this Range Rover headlight. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you.